Hey everybody, welcome to week 10. We're in double digits for the semester, so let's take a look. Hopefully everybody has printed out your course schedule, which has been posted in content under Start Here. So you always start there, and of course that's where you found this video as well. So let's get started. Let's take a look at what we're doing on Monday. On Monday, your task is to do a voice thread. It will introduce you to patterns of organization, which is another way to look at the analysis of text structure. We're zooming in a little bit. We started very broad with purpose and with modes of discourse. And then on Monday, you will be starting on patterns of organization. You will also have a quiz on Monday, which I don't have an icon up here for that, but you have a quiz about tone. That goes along with last week's chapter 8, so you will be thinking about tone and doing that quiz on Monday as well. And then you will be doing this patterns of organization voice thread. Then on Tuesday you have one assignment, actually two. You will be study reading chapter 5. And so you will be turning in your outline and your summary, as well as a lovely little sentence or two telling me how you understood that chapter, and that will go in an assignment folder on Tuesday. And then you also have your review tests in your practice quizzes for chapter 5. So you'll be doing all of your book work on Tuesday, and then of course we have class on Tuesday. So you'll be coming to class, and during class we will be talking about The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian. I will be introducing the book during your class. So I know that there are some things posted about The Absolutely True Story of a Part-Time Indian. You absolutely can go ahead and look at that, but you don't have to do anything until after we're done with class, because I will be introducing you and we'll be doing a little bit of work with that book during class. So that is our Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, you will be reading and annotating an essay called Shame by Richard Gregory. And here is Richard Gregory right here. His quote, it says, "One of the things I keep learning is that the secret of being happy is doing things for other people." So that is Richard Gregory's lesson that he is living his life through. Richard Gregory was in the civil rights movement in the 60s. I am not sure if he is still alive or not, but I do believe that he worked with Martin Luther King at some point. You might want to fact check that. That might be just my gut, but he was definitely a major player in the civil rights movement. So just so you know that he is kind of a cool guy. He also has a lot of other writing that is really good, that if you'd like to check out and read some of his stuff, I would highly recommend. All right, so then on Thursday, you are going to keep handy Shame by Richard Gregory, because you will be reading and annotating that on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, you're going to keep that close and handy, and there is a video that you will be watching and taking notes, and you're going to need your annotations for that. So that is all that you have for this week. Like I said, you don't have to do anything for the Sherman Alexie, The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian until after class on Tuesday. I will be letting you know how that whole thing is going to work, so don't worry about that until class time. All right, but please come to class so you know what to do. All right, that's all for this week. I hope you have a good one. You know where my email is. If you need me for anything, just email me, and we can set up a Zoom meeting and we can talk. All right, have a great week, everybody. I'll see you in class on Tuesday.